Looking for a great hosting solution? Check our website for prices. First, what you need to do is to update the server packages. You can do this by the following command.
Download the PowerShell by running next command. Once downloaded, install it with the following command. After that, refresh the apt package. Finally, install Microsoft PowerShell on Ubuntu by running next command. Now you can use it with the following command. That's it. If you have any question, please leave them in the comments.